My name's Brian Otara. I'm from Omobera, Ekerubo, 58th location. First of all, foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty for giving me this chance to see this day, because not one of us could have reached this day, but the privilege that He has allowed us. I'm glad for my results, and also I've been passionate to reach where I'm now. I'm so happy to receive these results, and also I would like to thank my teachers that they have acted as the close mentors and make me reach here. Also, advice to the students who are listening to me is that I remember the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 9, verse 10, which made me proud as I am, that I used to read, because my memory was that whatever you hand findeth to do it with your best. As how I did where I am now. Also, I would like to thank you all, my parents, who have struggled to make me reach this far. I know not many have reached as I am, but also I would like to thank you all.